Greetings, Dollings. I am Cassandra George Sturgis, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a cloth ball jointed doll. Guys, I am so sorry. Let me show you. Her name is Shaka, and let me see. Oh, isn't that beautiful? And these are her feet. I want to get the camera in here. Oh my God, I just love. Let's go back some and go. And trying to show you. And then, like, I love the ones, the joints in her shoulders, her knees. These are her hands. They turned out really, really well. Oh my God, I'm so excited to show you. Oh, and these are the joints that I have for her. Oh, let's get her in focus. Now, I feel really, really bad telling you guys this, but I'm not ready yet. I do not have the tutorial ready. I have created this pattern from scratch, and I have made it 1,000 times. So if you heard somebody crying, that was me. That was me. And I finally got it to where I like it. I just finished this. It's about 3:30 in the morning. And I just want you guys to know that the tutorial will be ready March 8th, like I think that's a Thursday, March 8th. I'm going to take this video down once I complete the pattern for her. So I'm just, if you have not subscribed to my channel and you want to make this awesome doll, please do so. If you are subscribed to my channel, I want to thank you so much. Thank you for watching and hanging in there with me, and just be patient with the YouTube algorithm. You know, it's really important to be consistent, and I'm trying so hard, but I just cannot. When I make a doll, I put my heart into it, and it takes a little bit longer than I want. So just hang in there. I'll see you guys on Thursday. Thank you so much for watching.